Hello and welcome. Thanks for joining me today. I'm just a dude. Today we are going to make some money go bang. This is my 6mm arc Boba Fett Mandalorian build. On top of it we got a Hilux 6x20 by 50. Today we're going to be shooting some match grade Quantity Factory and some Precision Hunter 6mm arc.
It's actually a 108 grain
Odin Works. I've
ELD
had a hell of a time
match.
getting this thing tuned to cycle. I finally gave up on it. Took it to a gunsmith this week, and they got it tuned in to where it'll function, which is great. Because I've been real excited to have this thing function properly and shoot it. So we're gonna sight it in, see what kind of groups we get with the 6mm arc, and we'll go from there. All right, here we are back at the Freedom Farm gun range, and I'm gonna take the first shots with this 6mm arc AR-15 Boba Fett blaster. We're gonna make some money, go bang bang today. What I have up first is the Precision Hunter. We're about 25 yards. I'm gonna sight this in for purposes of getting the scope up to snuff. I've not sighted this in at all yet, so we are going to zero out this cap. Can't find brass for this damn thing, so I've been just buying rounds that I can. I'm gonna save all that so I can start some reloads. Here we go. 6mm arc. It's a badass little cartridge. Thus far, just been burning ammo, trying to get this damn thing to run. A little low. Brought it up. A few little clicks there. But that group is one hole, 2 shots. Not very far, I'm at 25 yards, but I think this will be a laser beam shooter. This Hilux is a really nice scope for about 500 bucks. You can't really go wrong here, I don't think. For what you're getting. If I could get it fit back on there. Alright. Shoot a couple more. I think that should do it. I should be right on the money. We'll see. Oh. Fucked up on the feed. There's one thing I have had a little issues with. These are 6.5 Grendel magazines. I have some dedicated 6mm arc mags on the way, so we'll see what happens. There we go. It's a relatively new cartridge. Not a whole lot of stuff out there for it, but before this scamdemic hit, I was able to buy up some dies and some supplies, so I'll be able to reload these soon. All right, 2 shots. That match ammo is pretty fucking accurate too. Let's go take a look. Okay. Here is a 6-shot group. That's with the Precision Hunter 103 grain. 6 shots. I was low, started dialing her up. You'll only see 5 holes. This is the match ammo, 105 grain Hornady, 2 shots. There you have it. All right, so we're going to back this up now. Here's the gun range. Got a neighbor shooting. I love the Freedom Farm. All the neighbors are freedom-loving people. Here is the Freedom Farm gun range. Just take a little shot of this real quick while we're at it before I load up and move back. Okay, we're back. We're back at 100 yards. I'm going to take the 6mm arc and we're going to shoot it for some accuracy groups and see what we get. We got 2 different types of ammo today. The Hornady Match 105 grain and then the Hornady Hunter 103 ELDX bullets. So we're going to check it out, see what kind of groups we get. My camera cut out a little bit ago, so I'm not sure I got this on there or not, but I have a neighbor back there shooting some steel. You can hear him shoot and go ding, ring it. Then I have a neighbor over here that's lighting it up too with something. Everybody's shooting today, which is pretty awesome. There's some freedom-loving Americans out here next to the Freedom Farm. Starting to sprinkle, which is a bummer. Help if I drop the bolt. Damn it. Here's a problem I am running into with this thing. Keeps slamming the first round up crooked. These are 6.5 Grendel magazines, so maybe not the best. Set that to the side. Feel like Hootie Hoo. Forgetting to drop the bolt, take the safety off. He's a funny guy, that Hootie Hoo. Okay, let's try this again. All right, saw that one. I haven't a fucking clue where I'm hitting. No idea. I don't even see it close to the target dot. I'll go down and take a peek. Okay, I found it. About 6 inches high. I'm going to dial this down a little bit. See if I can walk this thing up. Spit. I don't know what the fuck he's shooting over there. We're blowing up. Woo! There it is, baby. And we got a jam again. Ah, frustrating. Problem when it does that, it fuckers up your brass. Gets you in there. So you can go find your happy place downrange. Hopefully it'll blast that dent out of the brass a little bit. Okay. That's where I need to be right there. There's my 0. 100 yards. See if we can get 3 consistent shots here now that I'm a little bit better on the dial-in process, hopefully. Yeah, pretty good group. Let's see how it likes. The 103 grade ELDX 103 grade. Failure to feed. Fucking thing. Frustrating. That one didn't booger up. Like I said, I've had a hell of a time getting this thing tuned in with the adjustable gas block. It came from Odin that way. They didn't tell me it has 2 screws in it. There's no directions for it. So if you have an Odin barrel with the Odin gas block, There's a set screw and then an internal screw for your gas adjustments. FYI. Another fucking failure to feed. I tell you, man. Hopefully those new magazines fix this problem, because this is fucking frustrated. I was wondering, I'm sitting there pulling the trigger and no bang. Sometimes when I'm shooting competition, my competition pistol has probably a, I don't know, 9 to 10 ounce trigger on it. It's super light. But you'll be up there at the line and it feels like an 8-pound trigger sometimes. Alright, let's try to make this one count. I gotta remember which target I'm shooting. Alright. Let's hop in the beast. Drive down there and take a look. It's my range buddy today. Save me some steps. There's the 103 grain ELDX. Not real good. 3 shots. Here is 105 grain match.